Good morning, folks. Today I want to show you my latest little 3D printing project. And what it is it's those 4 green plugs which I use to plug the holes in my engine whenever I remove the spark plugs. Whenever I remove the spark plugs, I'm always worried I might drop a nut or a bolt or something inside the engine. And to prevent that, and also to prevent dust or dirt or whatever from getting inside the engine, I printed these plugs. These are suitable for 14 millimeter thread, which is very common. And so whenever I have the plugs removed, I just pop one of these in like that, and the engine is safe. I will post a note with a link in the comments below where you can download the file so you can 3D print your own spark plug hole plugs. That's it for today. Thanks, folks. Bye.